Hey, they got 69 employees. Nice. Anyway, so today is Wednesday, and here's a summary of the week so far. Um, and here's some summary of today. But for the week, so on Monday, I lost about over $246. And yesterday I was read by a little over $16. $16.45 to be exact. And today I lost a little over $7. So the red days have progressively gotten smaller. And before I made my last trade today, I was read by more than $16 and some change. So it was similar to yesterday, but I had about $180 left to make it work or something like that. So I took one more and it brought me up to where my loss is now less than yesterday. So everything is trending upwards, and I had several alarms for 6:30 a.m. because I wanted to be up and ready to day trade the minute the clock struck 7 a.m. But I went back to sleep. I Whoa, we just had a massive fall, but it pumped all the way up there. We got this, gang. I decided to do a new strategy. I won't go into too much detail, but I'm onto something. I'm onto something. So basically, these were some meme stocks that I looked at the day before because of the action from Coles yesterday. So yeah, I overslept because I stayed up late watching, well, certain types of content. I actually was laying down with my eyes closed for probably over 30 minutes. Oh yeah, over that. But I've always had this problem ever since I was like a little kid where I always had trouble getting to bed. So but yeah, I was like, but before yesterday, after our, well, when I found out that Coles had a lot of action yesterday, I had already made my trades, and before I went to bed, I was planning to get in on this type of stuff. And this was me looking at Reddit. And I'm not really big on Wall Street bets because by now I already have my own strategy. All I know is that they did something with GameStop. And that's the reason why, like, my plan was to always steer clear. Like, I just started trading officially in early March, and this is my first time dealing with meme stocks, and it'll probably be my last because those were the ones I capitalized on a little bit. But I woke up that it spiked at 7 a.m. So if I was actually up at 7 a.m., I would have been able to capitalize on all the meme stocks that I was paying attention to. I think it was two, GoPro and Krispy Kreme. But yeah, I don't. I know I don't have to rely on meme stocks by now because I already have my own plan. So there's no need to get in on that. And I'm actually like a few days ago, I was actually thinking of making a diss song against Wall Street bets. But yeah. Yeah, there's no need to like pay attention to any of this if you already have your own plan and strategy. And like I've already put like up to 5 months training. And look at this profile pic. Look at this. This reminds me of why I stayed up so late, why I was kept up for so long. But yeah, Ninja. And yeah, there's just no need to get in on meme stocks. Like, this is my first and only time. I was half of my brain was saying like tomorrow I'm just going to focus on the meme stocks, but like the price action is not really consistent. It's like you'll I'll probably never have to rely on anything like GameStop because I just started trading earlier this year, in like late winter or like early spring, I guess you could say. But yeah, that stuff is pointless. It's useless. Like, people are so big on that thing and they're going to get like massive returns. I already have a way to make massive returns, but yeah, for my last trade, the strategy was different. So I'm just going to stick with that tomorrow. And yeah, I overslept. So I did have to take a nap today. It was like I set a timer for an hour, then I was out like a light, and then it went off, but I went back to sleep. So yeah, I'm just going to really get in the habit instead of being up before 7. Well, I'm not going to go into that. My strategy is just going to change. It's going to be different starting tomorrow because that's why my last trade was green. But yeah, I'm really confident that I can get my money up definitely before by August. I have enough to pay for my rent and stuff going into that.